Hi, good evening. Carl Violetta, founder and finance broker of Violetta Finance. Welcome to my latest Ask Carl video. This week's question comes from Joe. Joe has asked, is there anything extra to consider about purchasing property from family? First of all, Joe, thanks for your question. Purchasing property from family is regarded as a favorable purchase, meaning that the sale of the property is going to be lower than market value, and therefore when the purchase price is lower than market value, then what is the payable stamp duty on that particular purchase? And sometimes that's where it gets a little bit tricky to work out what the stamp duty is going to be payable on our favorable purchase. My suggestion in this scenario is to talk to a few conveyancers that have had experiences with these types of transaction, because they're not very straightforward in their manner, particularly around the payable stamp duty. So my first tip would be to find a really good conveyancer. You might want to speak to a few and ask them, have you ever helped a client successfully settle a favorable purchase? And once you're happy with a particular conveyancer, ask them to help you to put together and complete a purchaser statement. And once that's completed, you might want to pass that on to your broker so that they can provide that to the lender as part of their loan submission. And the third tip about these types of purchases is sometimes lenders, if you're a first home buyer, sometimes lenders actually want you to pay the full stamp duty on the purchase of the property. But because you're a first home buyer, you're actually entitled to a stamp duty concession. So this is where the services of a really excellent conveyancer can step in and take control of the process, deal with the State Revenue's Office, pay the stamp duty at the rate that you're entitled to as a first home buyer, and actually provide that to the lender so that you can show proof that you've already paid your stamp duty so that you can settle quite successfully. So there's some just very general basic information in relation to these types of purchases. If you'd like more information about favorable purchase from related parties, please hit me up on Facebook, or send me a message on an email, give me a call in the office. Happy to provide more information for anyone who's looking at doing this kind of transaction. Thanks for tuning in tonight. Keep those questions coming through, and I look forward to chatting with you guys again next Monday night. Bye for now.